got this loosened up, but I want to show you what I did. So put this guy on, slip this pipe, and just rest it on the ground like that. Okay. And then got this guy. It was like this. Back, and I was just going 1 foot here and 1 foot there and push, and it came out. So keep this guy steady. That's about right. And tighten this guy back up. See. Okay, on the driver's side. So this one I gotta shorten, so I gotta go this way. Just make sure I mark it. So that one is gonna go half a turn. A little bit more. Right. Tighten up this guy. Okay, after the adjustment, went out for a little test drive, and it's still slightly off. Maybe another quarter of a turn. I think that should do it. So I'm gonna do that and then go for another test drive. Driver's side. Okay. Loosen up this nut. Hope you can see that. So this guy's got to be pulled in. That's about it. Tighten this guy. Okay. On to the next side. So on this side, passenger side, I'm gonna have to extend this rod, make it longer, which means I'm gonna have to loosen it up, turning this guy counterclockwise, quarter turn only. So it's sitting straight like that now, so it's gonna come down to about here. Oops. I need to lock this guy up, make sure it doesn't turn. And this guy. Okay, Loosen it up again. All right, just did a final adjustment. Turn under a quarter turn. Now let's go for a test drive. Here we go, straight, going straight. Steering wheel, straight.